anytime you are, wherever you are right now. So this is Top Forex. I'm doing this video for one of my TikTok follower, not just for her, maybe her or she, maybe her or him, sorry, maybe he or she, but I'm doing it for everyone as well, even for myself, you know. It's part of my routine, do back testing to see if something is going right, you know. So I'm doing this video because she asked, and I see that it's going to help me too, and you as well. And that is why. And now the question is about breaker block. So, and I see that there's no way I can do the video about breaker block. I will have to use a market structure to explain, not another method, not trend line, not support and resistance, not not trend line as I said. So it can only be not liquidity algorithm. It can only be market structure because breaker block also is a form of order block. It's a form of order block. It's where markets trying to put up in case when they come back next time, they start from there to continue the direction of the market. So breaker block, single candle order block, flip, and fair value gap. All those things they kind of look, they are there for kind of entry. You understand me? Breaker block, fair value gap, flip candle, and scalp, which is a single candle order block. So all those plays, they're just there in case market want to come back, they start the journey from there again. That is why. But so the question about how maybe how it's gonna know the breaker block or how it's gonna use breaker block. Trust me, you're gonna use breaker block. Same way you're gonna use fair value gap. Same way you're gonna use single candle order block. Based on what I want to show you here, which is a market structure. So, we understand market in different way. Some people will say, right now, they will say market was bearish based on trend line, right? So, they will say market been, they will say market been forming bearish, maybe, yeah, bearish, as you can see. So, when a market break it above, so they want to, just start looking for buy. People trade this way, which is not bad. So which is not bad. Uh, uh, Based on what I want to show you is market structure. That's the only way I can get to explain breaker block to the point that at least you can grab it. So let us get to it. So I want to use market structure, like I said. So market structure. Market structure is about if market is bullish, if market is bullish. So as a market structure something, you allow market to take the last pullback. Those ones serve as inducement, liquidity. I've been doing the video about all this for a long time, so we should understand what I mean by allow market to take the last pullback. If market doesn't take any pullback like this and do something like this, so this is only way we can consider break of structure. Why? Because liquidity was taken. I didn't say this is the best way to look market. Like I just showed you one now. Market bearish, break it out, get your buy. So if we use support and resistance, market support here, resist here, support. So by the time market break out of this resistance area, they want market to come back, they will get in buy, they will find their way to being in buy. That is another way to look into market. But based on the question that the person asked me today, the only way I can answer the question is to use the market structure. So if I want to use market structure, you need to follow this method, which is allow market to take the last pullback, which is serve like your inducement and or liquidity, whatever you want to call it. So after that one, take it, you can now find your other block along this side, either breaker block, fair value gap, flip, scope. marking those area and wait for another confirmation. That confirmation means, let us say we see a breaker block here. So before now jump to the video anyway, let's do it this way. Breaker block means when market was trying to, maybe let us say, change of character here, or market want to change character here, or anything that we see. So before market could break this eye, if it is change of character or break of structure, anyone you see there, it's not really important. What I want to say, the market break up, maybe it's change of character, maybe break of structure. So breaker block mean before market could break that place up, there's been a rejection candle, before they will finally break it up. Even here, before we can see little rejection here, maybe this is where the change of character up more or down. So that place, we call this kind of thing breaker block. Why we call this one, the one at the low, this last candle below, the last candle below, we call it single candle order block. This is also a order block, and this also a order block. In any way, we call it breaker block. So we call it breaker block. And why this one is do we have any fair value gap here? There's no actually fair value gap here. You can see some gap here. There's no fair value. This is 1, 2. This candle was in between this one. So there's no fair value gap. We only have this single candle order block and this breaker block. So that is example of, if you have fair value gap, I will show it. If you have flip, I will show you too. So let us say we have a breaker block here, or fair value gap, or single candle order block, or flip. The point is that we want market to come there and do one more thing. So, and do one more thing. Do change of character here. That is the perfect time for you. Change of character, come back, is the perfect confirmation for you. Even before drop to lower time frame, on this main time frame itself, anytime you have a breaker block or fair value gap or single candle order block, as a market structure stuff, as a market structure stuff, you have to what? You have to see this kind of stuff. It's very, very, very good to reduce your losing trade from number it is down to very good one. So let us mark structure here. So whatever it is that I've been doing here, we can see market is bearish. So we're going to start from here. Let's say we have a break of maybe change of character, or let's say we have change of character here. Let's assume the market was bearish before, and market change character to buy side. So remember, now when market change character from bearish to bullish right here, let us consider here, it might not be right, but let us consider it, because I only want to do one example. Now, I mean, one direction. So I don't want to do the selling, I just want to do the buy. It's the same thing anyway. So let us say we have change of character here. Means we have change of character from bearish. This is daily time frame candle. So this is daily time frame. You can see if you have this kind of market structure or break off of support and resistance or trend line on this higher time frame, we have a good trade. So change of character here means you are not looking for sell again, you are looking for buy. So let us focus. Now after this change of character, we are looking for buy opportunity. And remember, market need to do what? Market need to take any pullback before we consider any buy at all. So without any pullback taking, no buying. So this market make a pullback here, up. It doesn't even go up, down. Yes, it goes up here. So in this kind of area, this one sweep it, but it did not break it above as well. So there's a kind of movement here. Those kind of movement can confuse you, but I want your up to be in a candle from up, it must be a candle above before, if you come back later, so we can say the inducement has taken, which is like in liquidity. So anytime market take this place down like this, which is the pullback, the valid one we see here, it is now our time to what? To looking for POI. You could see that this is the low that what? That change character down, that change the character up here. Yes, like we say, is the low that change the character. So this is single candle order block. So this is order block. And again, where can we have another order block? You can see there's some kind of consolidation here before market could break it above there. So before market break that place, we have one breaker block here. So this breaker block, you can see market trying to fight little here before you could break it. So we have breaker block here. And this scenario, it is see like a support and resistance for pull trade support and resistance. As you can see, market resistance here, breakout, come back. So that place was only for you as someone that is using market structure. Is a breaker block, but doesn't mean that you want to trade immediately. Now remember what I said. If you have your order block, single candle order block, which is the extreme like this, you have fair value gap, you have flip, you have breaker block. So one thing I want you to do here is allow market to do this thing. So you can see market been doing some pullback now. So change of character happens here. Allow market to change character from bearish to bullish here. That is inner trend. It's not the major. The major is this high and this low. That is your major trend right now. Means from this up to this low is the trend. It's where you are looking for buy from. From this up and this down. This is your low, higher low, and this higher high. Why this place higher high? Because it already break the last pullback. That is why it's confirmed. If the last pullback hasn't break, you don't have higher high yet. Market can just little back up, little back up, little back. So that's why you don't mark higher high yet until market take the last pullback based on market structure. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of strategy. So when market now get to this breaker block, you don't buy blindly. Allow market to do inner market structure shift. So you can see this candle comes up, comes down, go up. So if you know about a value pullback, this candle is the last one up and down. So mean to the up, go up. This candle itself is the change of character. So instead of saying, okay, our change of character is here, maybe because you see this is the last, it's actually this candle. Instead of marking our change of character here, this candle is the one, take this low, take this up, market now, break it above. This is where change of character happen. So in this scenario, your breaker block seems to work. Like you really want to work, all you have to do is what? Just market to come back to the last candle or anything, any favor look up there. Then you can now what? You can now go for the buy. So in this scenario, you know, before we could mark any other block, which is breaker block, or the extreme, which is single candle order block, we allow market to take the last pullback, right? And any other pullback that was there, like this one, they will serve like a engineer liquidity. So this will serve like an engineer liquidity. But if you say there's a breakout there too, which is I didn't see it there, it was just a retest from this area before. So it's a engineer liquidity. Why this place is confirmed? Because there's a change of character toward your initial plan, which is looking for buy. So you mark here, you see change of character. So what I want to say is that you don't need market to take any pullback here. If market doesn't create any, because it's possible, the way market change character here, it can just make another one like this and come back later and buy. Yes, if you do that, it's not bad, but if it doesn't, it doesn't matter. It doesn't need because markets already took liquidity they want to take here before. So you don't need market to take something low like this before you get this back. It doesn't matter. So if you get your buy, put your stop loss below the oh fucking thing. This is the time frame, remember. So in this scenario, because you're looking for buy, this will be your goal. Market to do what? Market to break structure. So that is another, then you succeed. Market break structure. So when market break structure in this kind of form, as a market structure trader, all you're looking for is another opportunity to buy. Another opportunity to buy. You now do the same setup here, allow market. So right now, our lower low, our higher low, we move from here. Or let me make another one. Our higher low now is here. Why this place is higher low? Because it break the above, it break the structure other side. That is why it's confirmed as what? As lower low, higher low, sorry. Now we are looking for another buy opportunity. Means we have to do the same thing that we do here. Before we mark our higher high, we need market to do what? To take a pullback. So market make this up, come down, up, equal high. So there's no down taking. Market make another high, which is good. Another pullback, up. So this is what I'm talking about. So when they make this high up, what did they do here? They took this low. We did not have a side movement. We have a very good movement here. So it's candle. So when market now take this pullback, it sounds like inducements. You should make these ones also so you can understand. As a market structure trader, you need to see that. That's simple. If you are trading support and resistance, it's simple. When market break out a place, just mark it. If market come back, wait for any confirmation you use. It's very possible. Now, let market take this place down like this. It is now for you to what? To mark where market can possibly use. So you have this area, this breaker block. Let us consider here this little one. So you have this little breaker block and you have this what? Extreme, which is single candle order block, and you have all this big fair value gap. So market can just feed this fair value gap and change character above, but this is single candle order block. This is breaker block. Market trying to reject before they could break it out. So if market comes here, you want to see the confirmation, but market did not even come there. There's one gigantic breaker block here. Market tried to do some consolidation here before they could break it above two. It's just like the one that happens here, like this kind of consolidation before they break it out. So that breaker block candle, we mark it. That's why we have this trade. So there's one early one here too, which I don't. So when market take it, what do you see? So it's not actually a good trade here, which I will not advise to, if I'm using this time frame for my structure, I will allow market to come down to take like this liquidity, which is going to serve like an engineer liquidity. But it's market. What market do after taking this place? Market break structure above. That is what happened, nothing else. Why break of structure happened there? Because the pullback was taken already. So this method has taken here. Then we have another break of structure. We didn't have active trade here, which is not bad. So before we continue, Now what? Okay, sorry, I supposed to do this. When market took this liquidity, which is inducement, your higher high now formed. So it means between this higher high and this higher low, you are looking for buy opportunity. The way you are looking for buy opportunity from this higher high and this higher low. And the point is this, the higher the reverse, the longer the continuation is going to be. The long the market till reverse before they continue the trend, that is how long the trend is going to move to. So see this one, take this here and break structure. When you have this kind of movement on the market structure, something, just say that the structure is not that strong anymore. It's like it's time market want to change because you can see just make little inducement, break structure. So in this scenario, if you want to follow the same thing by looking for buy opportunity, so this is the low now, this is higher low now, not here anymore because we already have another break of structure above. So now we are looking for our higher high. Meaning by higher high mean market need to take the pullback. But as you can see, break of structure, market been making this, is supposed to what? Make it pull back up like this. So we can have another one, then we're looking for buy. But what market do? Just come down straight. So we don't have inducement like this for market. The only place we have it is here. And if market take this here, what happened then? It means market has changed character from buy, just like this way. So market has changed character from bullish to bearish. And that's exactly what happened here. So this is the extreme. Why we not look for buy is because we do not have a pullback for market to take as inducement like this before we be looking for buy opportunity. So, and if market take this list, means it's going to change our perspective from where? From buying to selling. Now, change of character means this is lower high now. That's lower high. So fine. Let us now wait until market take the last pullback. You can see market make this down and that up, down, up. So since now there's no pullback that's been taken, like our inducement, and there's no break of structure yet. So we have this low. Okay, good. So market do what? Market take the last pullback there. You can see this candle, market go back up to take it. It's going to serve as what? As inducement. I'm now doing selling now. I said I will not do selling before, but based on the structure that is happening now, we are looking for short. So if you are looking for short, after market take inducement here, where can we possibly use? You can see this is our single candle order block. This is flip. Flip means any candle that sweep the last candle before they start writing down. We call it flip candle. So we can use that one also as order block. Flip, single candle order block, fair value gap. Is that fair value gap? So, and this as breaker block. So why are we doing this? Because market already take the last pullback. So this is now what? Higher, lower low. Means between this lower high and this lower low, you're looking for sell. Now you're looking for a place market can react. You have breaker block. Why do I mark this place? Because the single candle order block has been mitigated by this flip. And this flip has been mitigated by this breaker block. Market trying to consolidate here before they spike down. So if market come there, I could possibly do what? Looking for sell. And I will consider all these place what? As my liquidity, engineer liquidity. So I'm waiting for market here, right? And if market come there, I will also want to see something like this, change of character. Before now, we're looking for short. Remember, that is the confirmation you want to wait for. That is how you got this trade. That is why I did not get this trade anyway, because I did not see that kind of move. So when market now sweep this engineer liquidity, after all, you are in the first place, you are waiting for market to come to this breaker block and you see that movement. But once it took that, this place, after market take this inducement, we have market has every right to sell. Trust me, has every right to sell. Us marking breaker block of single candle order block of fair value gap is just for us to see a very good, so we can have a very good easy trade. That's just it. When market sweep here, as you can see, then change of character happens down here. That is what you're actually waiting for here. So all this one is an inner movement though. They are not the major. The major is this high, this is lower high, and this lower low is the major trend. All this one that is happening inside, call it inner movement, inner trend. We just use them for what? For entry. So remember what I said, when market change character here, market doesn't need to create any liquidity along this side. Just like we expect market to take this pullback before we're looking for short. Because liquidity has been taking change of character, just sell from, you see market go back up, looking for sell here. Liquidity doesn't need it. Full stop loss above. So what are you targeting now? You're targeting the low, this low. Good. Which is what? Which is break of structure. It is not more change of character again. This is the change of character. This is the break of structure. So now you have another what? Another lower low. This is no more your lower low. This is now your lower low. All you have to do is what? Wait for market to create, to take another inducement. So since market break here, market did not make a move like this. It starts going back up. So when it going back up, this is now or what? This is the, let us mark our place to sell now. So let us market take, I don't want market to disturb that. So we have a pullback here, which is stand as our inducement. So after market take that as inducement, because it's a last pullback along this side, we can see all these candles are just breaking down, breaking down. There's no one that make a pullback. We have pullback here, which is going to serve as inducement. All right. So when markets take that place, where can we possibly use as a order block? Where? So extreme, which is the single candle order block, is what we have here. Yes, we have flip like this candle. It started from here, but let us use single candle order block. So that is the extreme. We want to see market here. If you see market here, what are we waiting for? It's the same thing. Change of character, then we sort. But when market took this inducement, what do you see? So now see, you see this candle is the same candle that happens here at that time that I said. It's a single candle order block. This candle that chalk here is the same candle here. So anytime you say in a place you want to sell from or buy from, this candle, so the movement is just like this. Yes. Sorry, I'll call you back. I'm calling. So change of character happens there. This candle. So means you can sell. So now see what I'm talking about. When change of character happens there, market do this. Now a little pullback, they did not feed this fair, they did not get to this single candle order block. So they just come back. What they do later, they take it, they now sell. So I said if they form that kind of movement, it's not bad. But, and if not, it's not bad. You don't need any liquidity here anymore, like the way you need this one. This one already took liquidity. So if market choke here and come back immediately, you can short. But if you created it as well, it's not bad. So just wait. You can see now that we only have single candle block here. No, what do you see there again? You have break of structure again. So when you have break of structure again, now see, when market make this down, we are in bearish, right? But don't forget that uh, when market change character to selling here, it was just a kind of reverse mode. But don't let me disturb you with that. If I disturb you, that means I will say they still have a POI that was rested here. But I don't want to say that we have a POI because it already turned to bearish. But in a big scenario, this seems like a reverse. Actually, yes, it's a bearish movement, but it seems like a reverse. So in this big movement that break structure here should not be left unattended to. Like if market got here, something can actually happen because it seems like a reverse mode. If you go to weekly now, you can see maybe this is just a reverse movement. Yes, it turned to bearish, which we apply the whole thing. So when market got here again, but I didn't say we have pure here because we are looking for short. We have been selling, right? We have break of structure. So this is your what? Let us now see. So in this leg, where is our inducement? If market want to take inducement, okay, good. It's like we have a little pullback here. So that will serve as inducement if we really want to sell again. So when market take this play to sell, so where is our other block now? Okay, we have this breaker block along with the single candle block. They're very close. So for me, I will just use the breaker block. So when I have this place, what am I expecting? I'm expecting market to make this move, change of character, so that I could short. The way we have been doing all this change of character before, the way you got it is the same thing you're going to wait for market to do for you here. And if market doesn't take it, if market doesn't do that way, you're not doing anything. It's the part of your confirmation. But what happened? Market did not. So if you tell me what happens here now, is what is market has changed from bearish to bullish right here. We have another what? Another change of character towards the buy. Chalk, not boss. So now, no more selling. We are now go back to buy with same thing concept, not other thing. So allow market to do what? To take the last pullback. So market change character here, may pull back, another up. But when they do that, they eventually come back. They take this place, which is what? Which is the inducement. When we have take inducement, then we have our what? Our higher low. Sorry, I didn't mark this. This before this place was lower low before because inducement was taken, while this place was our lower high. So when market change character, you are not looking for sell again, you are looking for buy. This will now serve as what? As higher low, not lower low again, because market has changed character towards buy. So when market now take this pullback as inducement or liquidity, you call it, we have what? Higher high. Means between this higher high and this higher low, you are looking for buy opportunity. All you have to do is mark any place you think. So we have this breaker block. We have another breaker block here, and we have single candle, we have scalp here. So when market get to this breaker block, what are you going to wait for? You're going to wait for change of character as well. The inner change of character. That is, if market doesn't do it. The market can actually do it on lower time frame. But I'm just saying, if at all you wait on this time frame itself, it used to happen. As you can see, we have multiple examples that happens here. We only have one time that did not happen and we didn't do anything. This place, change of character happens, change of characters happen, and we have all these good selling. So why not wait as well on this time frame to see change of character? So as you can see, before market got here, to me, I believe maybe market want to make another pullback to take this low. That is what's going to be my option because if market should change character here, before I will look for buy, it has to be this place. And if market take that place, market already do what? Market already break structure. So which going to make me render me my work useless here. I will not get to do anything. So we have break of structure there. When we have break of structure there, now our option is that okay, now we are looking for another buy opportunity. And for what? Market make pullback up. So inducement was taking here. Inducement as what? As just liquidity. When it's taken there, this place will now form what? Your higher high. And this place is what? Higher low, higher low, because it's a low that break structure lasts, not here anymore. So this is now higher low, and this is now higher high. Means between this leg, this up, and this low, we are looking for buy. So now it's point to what? To mark your breaker block. You can see a lot of rotation candle here. If you want to mark a breaker block here, I don't see this area. Market has taken inducements. It's not bad. There's a rejection here, this big candle. Yes, I actually don't know which candle to use as a breaker block here. We have to use this. And this is your what? This is your extreme, the single candle order block and the little fair value gap. So either market do the confirmation here or here. So eventually, when market got here, it's not that I want to buy, I want to see change of character as well. But see, so now see this candle. This one is a low and is above, means that kind of movement I'm talking about here, pull down, change of character. So that is that our candle stand for. Took the low, it took the up, the market break it above. So change of characters happens here already. Just like the way this candle form, this candle also the change of character, this one. So don't forget. So when we have change of character right there, means you can now look for buy. Where can we buy from here? This is the candle. So this is the only candle that actually do it. So this is the candle, but I don't want to use the whole candle. I can use the 50%. That is how I used to do it. This kind of candle chalk like this, 50% for the entry. So all I want to do is what? Once I see this, just look for buy. Because market already what? Change character towards that. I don't need any other confirmation than to just look for buy and expect what? And expect a break of structure, which is eventually later happen. So when you can see anywhere that I did not put this is the place that we not get a trade. You didn't get trade here, despite you waited for market to chalk so you can buy. Market did not. You got here, you got here. You did not get this one reward because that change of character did not happen for you to be in it. You got here, you didn't get this one, you got this one, you got this one because of what? Because you waited for those confirmation to happen. This area is uh where the market change towards up again, unless you are using higher time frame. That's why you can consider here for the buy. So now when we have this breakout structure above, means we have another higher low. Now it's not up for us to have what? To have higher high. This is good, don't forget. So before we can have higher high, market need to do what? You see, market just pull back up. No pullback has taken yet. Okay, good. So we have this pullback and up. So in this scenario, we have inducement taking here right now, which is up like. So this is now what? It's now higher high or good. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. Means between between this high high and this higher low, you are looking for buy opportunity. So it's all for you, just mark where you want to end up breaker block. So we have little breaker block here. We have breaker block there. And we kind of have a breaker block here also. And then extreme, which is extreme, right? So in this all this place, all you are waiting for is market to get there and do change of character. So if place want to be the buy for you, so if market could go back up and break this place up right now, I mean, see, pick up, down. If you do this, then come back, then you can buy. And so if it doesn't do that, based on this time frame I'm saying, I didn't say you should be using this time frame. This is daily time frame, but you can see how we do all this mathematics. So this is for you, if you want to be using breakup block, you have to be someone that is using market structure. But someone that is using support and resistance, hmm? That's using support and resistance. In this scenario, this is market resistance here, trying to resist, break it out, is going to be the support. So buy. So when market break this place up, right? Our objection is to see market, when market break that place up, is to see market, then be looking for buy. But what happens later is market break it down. When you break it down, it now become like a support, like a resistance. So in this area also, remember, it's a support before. Market came back there. You see market make a good run. So some people like this kind of support that make a good run before they could come back. Despite it's a retest, because breakout, retest, go. It still came back. So some people will be doubting it, but because of this long run, this actually place can be good. Then, this place are turned to resistance before, and I've been using like 2 times. When you break out, up and up, be testing is not a good area. So, what is this thing? So when market now get to this support area, and maybe you take your profit here, finally you see market break it above, then another retesting up. So a breakout happens here as well. When breakout happen there, you want market to come back, market break it inside, break it outside. You see this is the dangerous part for those people who trading support and resistance. So break it inside, break it outside, go back inside, feel like going up, break it outside. Now break it outside completely. Hmm? Broke it outside completely means It broke out. This is going to be okay, the resistance area. Thinking. So when market just make this rejection, go and make all this run. So if market will come back here, right here, it's going to make some movement though, but as a support and resistance trader, you can go up there because you break it out, make a little retest, boom. So if market will come back there, it's going to be a good buy for support and resistance. You see, this is different from market structure. So for someone that is trading this, it cannot be master breaker block or whatever it is. It doesn't concern about that. So only you that is using structure is going to be concerned about breaker block, fair value gap, all this kind of stuff, blah blah blah. Support and resistance just break out, come back, wait for the confirmation. I don't know the confirmation they are using. If I'm trading it, I have my way to look for it, but this is not what the video is about. So that is for you, my dear. Breaker block is just like other block too. It's a where market trying to consolidate before and the one rejection candle in between those movements before breaking out. So if market choke up now, if market choke up now and come back, break this high, you can see we say we have another breakout for market to what? Come back to as a support and resistance I'm talking about. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share and ask question any part you find difficult like this. My fans my followers that ask me about breaker block. I hope this will help you. And if you still have any other problem about this market structure or you are trading support and resistance, I don't trade it. But if you are trading it and you're having issue, ask any question about it. I can show you. It's not a big deal. You can say, allow market to break something out, retest it, look for buy. If it doesn't work, if you break out,